you walk straight into the House of Folk. Vrs Asante Kotoko game, President's Cup, and who send the Brinana bar, you know, a whole day or no, be said or form, and who the day or I send the brave, but you share who wins it, especially who share sign is a Kotoko, and it's a House of Folk so what problem with payment. I say, I see a friend of Kelentria, how did they count and in the place of more harder than Muguso Tarata from one. This Ramani, or the training methods, may show video be on the 2 and you're bad. I saw the drone in a day. It was a small methodology. Let's see how that game go on Sunday. Now, Champ, a prediction, House of Kotoko, and even the organization of the President's Cup.
Gauka has been a white elephant. Omu organization, anchor, omu main purpose. Omu main purpose, they say anchor, omu be share the welfare of the Premier League clubs. But unfortunately, some years ago, I'm a failure at that. I'm one of the organizers of the competition. And Erico, and beside me, who said, I didn't think about promotion of our game. Far into the faces of people.
Okay.
So when it comes to branding, say, Bianca from Jubilee House, to Accra Sports Stadium.
Okay.
There should be signages, billboards via a display. The president's
for attention.
Yeah, I don't get it. And it's not like we don't have money in this country. More we are Americans in
this sky was kind of
And I picked information from Philip Otuokra at the Gauka conference yesterday, presser yesterday. Almost the donations being Bakra. They don't want to mention names. So what is the essence of telling the pressman in the first place? It will be GD says and our kind of publicity in their form. And Erico, imagine, say ceremonial game be Ali ne Zamalek, Dean Boame, Ebia, in terms of rivalries, Kaiser Chiefs ne Orlando Pirates. Now. Boame with the African
Ali Zamalek.
Yes.
Ali Zamalek. TP Mazembe. And
okay, can't go free or no?
Yeah.
African rivalries derbies.
When you go to Congo, you have TP Mazembe playing almost a big derby. Forgotten more rival. No. Even South Africa, more derbies better.
And I make
more the Soweto derby and more derby.
So what point is
about 3 or 4 derbies?
And yes, sad say. 2 of the biggest teams in Africa, 2 of the biggest teams in Ghana, a book game of this magnitude. Yes, announces a free stadium, free gate. But your biggest fear, and they say, will people go and watch the game? That is our biggest fear. And it is transcending from the fact that in recent times, you know, has the Kotoko Bokra, you're not the sort of spectatorship I here. It is not there. And the game where we free gate. But we cannot sit here and say, we can say on emphasis, say, 20,000 people will be at the Accra Sports Stadium.
Say, can you free Shatawale?
We've seen Legon cities do this bit. Almost they shatter by
when they say,
Black
Sheriff.
A lot of musicians that are now Sheriff indeed inside.
Oh, say the club,
but the real deal is, and you're worrisome. Say a game of such a magnitude, free, you know. Yeah, that's so it. What A B Sasenko, and it is because the publicity is low. Publicity near low. There is an intern or maybe I'm here Juma. He's from London. I say, sad. 2 days ago, I check it. Even on the internet, open information about the President Cup. He struggled. And very cool. The product when they turned to the outside world. Even the locals are not buying it.
Oh.
It's problematic. But to the game, I feel say, Didi, you see, the thing about Hearts and the Kotoko, they say, they don't care if it's a gata-to-gata game. And the danger is that Didi is having this game as a test game. The very first game. Bet me make it or break him.
So as in them form.
Yes, something decent from the support base. At least Kotoko shouldn't have this game very easy. Like in the past now, who said Kotoko have been dominant over Haas. And even there, I listened to an interview at Kevin Osesibe, a grantee on another platform. I say a normal. And I said, this boy doesn't know the history of the club he plays for.
Yeah, normal.
So him the history of the club as a footballer.
Maybe or can you pressure feeling also?
There be the players should be. You see, I don't blame them. The clubs don't give them the orientation. Into my share, players are back to clubs in England. You be so even about the history of the club. Intina, there be a din is Hendrik saw say ni idol and Bobby Charlton.
Yeah.
So you understand? You should know what it means to play. Okay? Say a Monday starts game between Haas and Kotoko.
I know that.
And
there's no friendly.
There's no friendly in this fixture. So the players in recent times, they need to be oriented with the tradition and values of the club, no more ball. You not going, even if that is the opinion, you not put it in the public domain. It's a tough game for Didi. If he starts well, it will be good. Kotoko are preparing for Africa as well. I don't think they will set up in the usual lineup. You wouldn't want to risk certain players. And I've seen games like this, I have very crunch. There was one game, I think I stand to be corrected, it was also the President Cup in Kumasi. Yeah, it rained. And I'm calling the game off. Ampem Da Costa was there with Kotoko. That could be or the common house player. Right after that, the game. And you know, Kotoko would not want to risk some of these players. But you new players now. Maybe you have to give them some game time to get them into shape. Interesting game. But had to folk pressure them so more. Oh yes.
Wow. Also was that pressure that has some more change.
Oh, pressure under Haas. I don't think so. Many of Haas supporters said the game will be Didi Dramani.
Oh, okay.
I don't think.
Yes, shadow four.
Oh, hey, I know they yet.
Ah, because I follow the idea and time can say.
And no, because what your moi. But it will be credit to contract.
Go back on 1,000.
I know him. And I can tell you, Kotoko trainer has for a game no 4 goal about a young movie.
No, but I don't know
how. And women, your president in
and a body
young mobile. So we check out one therefore into the fire mobile.
Corner did be only your woman.
Yeah, pay yourself back as a young mobile. That's I'm telling you this.
Will be at $200.
Yes.
Greater Accra Regional Minister so say has a for go be a $1,000.
Tell you, $1,000 is $1,000.
Dollars. I must sign the 20,000 crack. I come my house for so move very into some
preparing actually. But I like the way the ministers know what you are. Greater Accra Regional Minister, the video beer and your bad or you're going to Kujina Park so no ball shame.
Oh, let's be blunt.
No, but almost promotion.
They should put all that in our local league.
Oh, no, I say local.
No, it's because it's with the presidency. You'll be able to say, oh, and you see, these days,
how have you involved them? Maybe Gaka involve you. But I'm an own person what now.
Yeah, about Democracy Cup, man. Because oh, you say a crash sports, it's a crash sports stadium modernized or renovation was coming in. These are people. When it is about idea, it will put them into the public domain now. They just come and take the funds. After that, they go and sleep. Oh,
but who in charge of your league?
Oh, the GFA.
No, sometimes there's an association or a group who are in charge. What was Mr. Abrapia's position?
Abrapia.
Under Kosiyentechi. Yeah, TV or had in Crawford to Toso. Premier League board. Yes, I should say.
Okay, so Eriko. Well, I don't want us to go back to Nyantechi.
But this under there was a Premier League board.
There was an autonomous body. Lepora, Nyamifani Krensi, he was on that board. Togbe Afede. Yes, a clubs in first camera. They said they couldn't afford the
No, I know a different discussion. There is a board on and make sure a league in the Bekoso. And no, why tia won't be
The board is there.
And it's not the autonomous there, tia, so
okay, so I'm getting you say the board is there. But about policies and infrastructure near there is government ejuma. And I'm a boy. And the body that works under it directly is the NSC.
Yeah.
The parent body is the ministry. The part of a boy, correct me. So some of these things, no, and I make us say after democracy cap, no, what was the narrative?
For but democracy cap second edition.
What was the narrative?
Well, didn't
Yeah, but game na ebe no across post stadium no. Venue no, is it fit for purpose?
It is so far the only venue
I'm asking maybe some way because Gebebo World Cup qualifier no. Okay, so I'm close to one side. Inti side no why you do maybe.
No, Saturday na supporters got
now.
Very good. Am I be can one side.
Until now, it was in March.
Very good.
Till now.
Inti maybe say space no. Oma ye nwe dwuma wi supporters be ko wana. So omo nya nwe dwuma, omo be close to na say omo be bia to. Ama manfo eteki omo life no e di akwa na. So these are questions we ask.
Now they are not Ghana ye ho nya nwa.
Ye ho nwa. And
CAF has informed Kumasi Asante Kotoko that Baba Yara Sports Stadium cannot host the CAF Confederation Cup competition. And it's not the first time we are hearing this.
Thank you.
Every year.
When was Baba Yara closed for renovation? When was it closed?
Renovating the same tier they be a CAF.
Under Honorable Mustafa Yusuf.
Where you grab a kono.
One who report
Muska. Achumampo no MP no time kra no.
Nti eba president cap no obi begina
Honorable Asiama. Ne time kra mu ye renovation kakra wo hono me ye bi wa Accra. Accra mpo de ye bebo woman outcome 2018 no mo ye renovation. Penti one ade sani na na penti mamento. Nti the facility nankasa the state of that facility another question I see ebisa kwa into the game, so I'll not go too much into the game. Another issue I say yebisa ne say what was just like what Koku was asking, derby no, how na you reduce derby no into match. Now we are bringing Shatawale. Imagine how much Shatawale is going to take. How much are they giving to the club? Because if you want derbies, time coach Kwesi Appiah Echo Sudan or say Al Hilal ne Ar Merrek or more ball with derby no. Maza, don't try. So the matter for the way of me. Imagine say with that and a whack.
Because
Raja and Nebia so
that is for you.
Yes. And how much are you going to give him and how much are they
like Kasa? For all you know.
Anya Kasa. Shatawale will not come and
oh, maybe because of president.
He will not
Mama
do
Pepper.
Tebia Mama. Oh, president. His Excellency Afafo.
He's not the only one.
Omo bobo bia you ashemani munyamo take up pass it through mama why. Kasa.
Na president won shata sa akeke.
Okay, Kasa mate. But has ne Kotoko no.
Oh, that grofo me bre pem mo show so amunko ye bi ni.
Why do you think they put Shatawale on the show?
For second reasons.
To draw the crowd.
For second reasons.
Yeah, well, Mr. Wedi, game we on. Your marketing ye, your branding ye. We don't need artists to promote the game. Yeah. One shot golden cake, one shot golden cake, and a Kotoko FA Cup. No. What's your numbers? No? Golden cake. And what your golden cake supporters or more. Obeka TBI has a phone on support.
Doesn't matter how much
golden cake for and so the supporters. Buy one share. Game. And I don't know man for the more beyond Adom.
Now we got trophy in the Senate here. We more trophy now. Good
President Cup. Will you Muntaidi and one head
flyer you fly in your yamu. But could be on way na president kita cup na flyer and
promotion here. I am mono.
But I know vice chairperson said Charlie. What about the promotion in only Ghana? Or sit to see about Tina Kotisa.
Promotion we are Mayor of Kumasi, Zuba. On it, Dr. Marcoine. Yeah. And Linda Okulu. Ewa. And on also say we're organizing the MMDC is someone as so for in the and on we better MMDC is no. One that just women has supported.
Fire call.
Yan hwe ni arrival ni ebeguno has no Kotoko bebo game bia na gate free category A game. We blaster free wa. That's the next biggest game our calendar.
Free.
We shouldn't be doing it free. MY.
Free.
MY.